bawat buwis ng ating tapat na binabayaran, tayo ay hindi lamang nag-aambag sa kaban ng bayan, tayo rin ay nagtatayo ng isang maunlad na Pilipinas.
Join the conversation. Be advocates of accountability in your own communities. Be part of the global commitment to open governance. Let our initiatives honorably reflect the aspirations of our respective citizens. Thank you very much. And once again, welcome to the Philippines.
So we celebrate the BOC's 123rd anniversary today with a challenge that involves everyone. Sa lahat ng opisyal, inspektor at kawani ng BOC, lagi ninyong unahin ang kapakanan ng sambayanan. Gampanan ninyo ang inyong tungkulin ng buong katapatan at may malasakit sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.